In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Maps in Notion. Welcome, and thanks for joining me. In this tutorial, I will walk you through a simple and reliable way to add a Google Map directly into your Notion page without touching any code at all. This is perfect if you want to make your workspace more visual, more interactive, and easier to understand at a glance. By the end of this video, you will be able to display any location, route, or search result right inside Notion, whether you're planning a trip, organizing a project, or sharing information with a team. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google Maps. You can do this by opening a new tab and going to maps.google.com. Once the page loads, search for the location you want to embed. This could be a restaurant, an office, a meeting point, or any place you want to reference quickly inside Notion. You can also use directions or a specific map view if that is what you need. Before copying anything, take a moment to adjust the map exactly how you want it to appear. Zoom in or out, switch between map or satellite view, and reposition the location if needed. This is important because whatever you see on the screen is what will be reflected when you embed it later. When you are happy with the view, look for the Share option or simply copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure you are copying the regular map link and not the embed code, since this method works much more smoothly with Notion. Once the link is copied, switch back to Notion and open the page where you want the map to appear. Click on the spot where you want to place the map, then type /embed, then paste the link you just copied, and click Embed Link. After pasting, Notion will automatically show you the map. Give it a second to load and do not worry if it takes a moment. When the map finishes loading, you will see an interactive Google Map right inside your Notion page. You can zoom, move around, and interact with it just like you normally would. If you ever need to change the location, you can simply delete the block and repeat the same process. This makes your Notion pages more dynamic and useful without any technical hassle at all. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.